I'm Adam Jennings, Senior Solutions Architect at DoubleCloud, and today I'm going to give you a brief rundown on why you should use the DoubleCloud Platform. So what value do we bring to your ecosystem? We use the best-in-class open source technologies, including Kafka and ClickHouse, but we also include ETL and visualization as a software as a service in our offering. We offer free backups and free traffic. Currently, we're offering 16 by 5 support, hoping to make that 24/7 in the near future. High availability and fault tolerant because we're based on cloud architectures, built-in security out of the box. And if you have your own account on the cloud vendor of your choice, if you want to bring your own account and link those VPCs, we can do that. And out of the box, we're going to create an object storage bucket every time you create a cluster. So that way you have that seamless experience between SSD and S3 to make your ClickHouse queries fast, but also cost effective. Go and give us a try today. Sign up at doublecloud.com and get started with your free trial credits.